Nursery Rhymes. Did you forget about those? If I asked you, you would probably say that you can repeat a couple that you already know. Mary Had a Little Lamb or Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. These are a great way to introduce reading authentic language to kids who are not quite ready. One thing you can do, so if you were to open up the book, this is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I know Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, you know Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, but we don't know all of this. We know this one, and maybe this one. One thing that you can do to encourage your readers, and it takes a little bit of work, but you can type out the main verse, the verse that you grew up memorizing. Type it out in a font that is recognizable for the kiddos, and have that printed on a page. Maybe you include a graphic, maybe you have your kiddos draw a picture after they read it the first time or listen to it the first time. You read it through with the cadence of the nursery rhyme that we grew up knowing, and then you put that nursery rhyme in a binder, and you add to it with other nursery rhymes. And as you read each one with your kiddo during read aloud time or shared reading time, you're having them point to the words as you're saying it together. And pretty soon, they're going to grab that 3-ring binder on their own, and they're going to be reading Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, Mary Had a Little Lamb, because it's now become rote, it's become memorized. And memorizing books is a great place to start. Happy reading.